My name's Yuba Jarju.
Yes, your address?
Sangajor village in the Phonis.
Your educational background, sir?
I'm an HTC teacher.
Okay, what is your background? Which schools did you attend?
I attended Sangajor Primary. Then after I went to St. Edward Junior Secondary.
Yes.
And finally at the college.
At the Gambia College?
Gambia College, yes.
Which year was this?
It was 2018.
You recall giving a statement to the investigators?
Oh, yes.
We will give you a copy.
Yes.
We will give you a copy so that you tell us.
Okay.
Please go through that statement. It's a 2-page statement. And tell us whether that is the statement that was obtained from you on the 22nd of August 2024.
Yes.
We applied to tender the statement of Yuba Jarju, dated the 22nd of August 2024, into evidence as an exhibit.
Yeah.
The witness statement of Mr. Yuba Jarju, dated the 22nd of August 2024, is hereby admitted in evidence as an exhibit and marked as LGC/YBKJ/BKAC/001.
As the commission places. Now, during your time as councilor, you served between 2013?
Yeah, 2013 to 2018.
To 2018?
Yes.
Okay. So, but in 2018, you recall serving in some subcommittees?
Yes.
The Education and Social Committee?
Yes.
The Social Committee, what do you guys do?
I was
mainly?
a member.
You're a member, yes. I now want to know your activities. What do you really have mandate for? Like, what is your mandate?
My mandate, we visit the schools.
Yes, social committee, I mean.
Social committee.
Yes.
Okay. We were organizers
Of
activities happens during our time.
what kind of activities?
Like if you have a social gathering,
Give us an example.
like an activity of a program.
Give us an example.
Sometimes we do have get-togethers.
Get-togethers. Who will have get-together?
All the councillors
Okay.
share ideas together.
Okay.
We are the one who organize in such gatherings.
And is this funded by the area council? They provide the.
No, such activities are not funded by the council.
So I mean the council activities.
Yeah, it's a part of these council activities.
So okay, what other council activities do you have?
Apart from that one, when we have guests from other outside the Gambia,
Yes.
We do receive them as social committees.
Social committee.
Yeah.
Now, who was the chair? Do you know? Do you recall? In 2018?
The social committee, I can only recall my mind, the secretary, our secretary was, I can recall the secretary's name.
But I see in your statement, you have said that your term ended in 2022. Here you are saying 2018.
Yes, maybe that one is an oversight because I served for 2 terms.
So you said the disbursement, that was the second paragraph. The disbursement was done towards on turn. Now I read as it is written. Towards on turn, and I was waiting for my turn to receive the disbursement, but I didn't until my term ended in 2022. Is that a mistake?
No, it is not a mistake because 2022 is that one is the previous, the past councilor's term. That ended in 2022.
No, but this is your statement. So I just want to understand, because I know that your term should either end in 2018 or 2023, right?
Yes.
But you are saying 2022 here.
Yeah, maybe that one is an oversight.
But you were not in council in 2019. Were you?
Yes.
2020?
That is the previous.
Let's get this clear. What is the period that you have served as a councillor in Birkameri Council?
2018 to 20. From 2013 to 2018.
No. From 2018 you got re-elected. And you were there throughout. And you probably lost your seat in 2023, 2022? Is that what up there? Because you said...
No, I stepped down, not...
Okay. When did you step down?
The last time.
Which year did you step down?
That is 2018?
No. You could have stepped down in 2018 because your statement did not say so. You won in 2018. You were re-elected in 2018.
2018.
Yes.
Then 2022, I stepped down in 2022.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Yes.
That you were a councillor from 2013 to 2022.
2022, yes.
Now you are coming.
Yeah.
So I was thinking that you were only, for the period of the mandate of the commission, you were only relevant for 2018. Yeah. But you were there throughout until 2022, then you stepped down. Why did you step down? If I may.
Due to political issues.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyways, let me now ask you another question. So basically, when you served as councillor from 2018 to 2022, do you recall having any ward allocation?
No.
There were no allocations?
Yeah.
You have said in your statement that during your time as councillor, you only benefited from an amount of $138,000 from the council for the purchase of borehole pumping machine for the community of Sanajo.
Sanajo, yes.
Yeah, so that is different from the allocation?
No, that one is not an allocation. That one is a request.
It's a request?
Which I did.
Okay.
I wrote a request when our pumping machine got a problem. And then the money was given.
All right.
Yeah.
Now, apart from that, there was no other allocation?
No.
And the geology fund as well, there was no disbursement because is Kanilai affected? Is your ward affected?
No.
So there should not be any benefit?
Yeah.
How about the issue of the monies that were paid to the councillors every year by way of the Tobaski or Korite Salibo that was received? Were you also receiving these payments?
Yes.
Do you know what it is for?
They were just giving it like that, but I don't know why it is. Because sometimes they will say it's your either Korite or Salibo.
Yes.
Yes.
So it was not money that any of the councillors worked for, but it was just a matter of, do I call it like as gratitude because of the festive period?
Yeah.
But that's wrong. You knew that's wrong at the time?
Obviously, yeah.
So why did you accept it?
Well, it is an offer.
An offer? But that money is not yours. And the one given to you is not theirs as well.
Yeah.
If it is an offer from the individuals that have the right to give you that money, then it makes sense.
Okay.
Is that not the case?
Yeah. No.
Is that not the case?
Yeah, it's the case.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you know that throughout the time you serve and the payments for each year, they will give you these two payments each year.
Yeah.
Do you know how much you have been receiving?
Now, it varied. Sometimes when it is corrected, sometimes they'll give us 5,000, Tobaski around 7 to 10,000.
Tobaski around 10,000.
Yeah.
Correct?
5,000.
$5,000.
Yeah.
Okay. Any questions for the witness?
No question.
That's all for this witness.
Mr. Jarju,
Yes.
thank you for coming.
Okay.
If there is any need for us to call you to clarify any further issue, we will call you.
Okay.
Well, you are hereby discharged. You can go home.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Mr. Bojang, can you call the next witness?
Welcome back, Mr. Witness.
Thank you.
Mr. Witness, for continuation of your testimony before this commission of inquiry, may I remind you once again that you are still under oath before I hand you over to Madam Chair.
Thank you.
Thank you. Madam Chair, I hand over the witness to you.
Good afternoon, Mr. Jeng.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
You're welcome back.
Thank you.
Council, can we proceed, please?
Yes, Mr. Jeng, I only have one voucher to show you.
Okay.
That's
It is the description is the payment of honorarium to Brikama area councilors
Yes.
as per attached.
Yes.
Is the original so that you can identify it so that we have it admitted.
Yes.
Yes, what is the amount?
288,000.
Please speak into the microphone.
288,000.
Dollars, yes. The date?
On the 13th of August.
13th August.
2018.
Who was the CEO at this time?
Ma'am said Jalo.
The PV number?
1169.
1169.
Yes.
Now, what is that voucher about?
Payment of honorarium to BAC councillors.
To BSA councillors.
Yes.
What honorarium was that? Do you know?
This was for the Tabaski or
This is for the Tobaski Salibo and the Tobaski and Correa de Salibo.
no? It's honorarium, not salibo.
Is the?
It's honorarium.
It's honorarium
Yes, sir.
for
For the councillors.
for
For rendering service to the council.
which service? They testified. 90% of them said they didn't render any service.
90%.
Yes. And there was no service that was rendered. We
Well-
know, Mamset testified, we know that it was as a way of Salibo to the councillors that were just there.
It's not.
And
It's not.
it's every year that they receive this amount.
Yes, that is true. But it's not all the councillors.
Also the senior management as well.
No, not. I'm not talking of the senior management.
Were
I'm
you
talking
part
of
of
the committees. You know, they have the finance committee and the market committee.
Yes.
They normally go to the field during this
You
festival.
paid all the councillors.
Yes, we pay all of them.
Don't tell me that you paid all the councillors.
Yes, sir.
You did not pay a specific committee member.
Yes.
Or committee members.
Yes.
All councillors were paid.
Yes.
So don't really tie this down to any committee activity.
Okay.
No, don't say okay. You can disagree. I am saying you can disagree. I have said this
Well,
several times.
that is what I am explaining to you. That when they render service during the time of festival,
Yes.
we pay them honorarium.
Yes.
Yes.
But this is not that. This you have all the councillors, correct?
Yes.
All the councillors are paid. Is that not the case?
Yes, that is the case.
Yeah, so you don't tell me all the councillors are members of the finance committee.
No, they are not.
So why are they all paid? Let's assume that even the members of the subcommittees are even entitled to it. We are assuming, even though that's not the issue. But why do you have to pay all the councillors?
Anyway, this was agreed
By
by both the councillors and the CEO.
they approached the chairperson and the chairperson instructed you guys to pay?
Yes.
Yes. So we want you to tell us how it happened. But we have heard from all the councillors. Now we want you to tell us.
Yes.
Under what circumstance were you paying as Director of Finance this honorarium? Who gave you the instruction?
The CEO, of course.
Ma'am said.
Yes.
And which instruction also came from the chairman at the time?
Pardon?
Which also came from the chairman at the time?
Yes.
Who was the chairman?
2018.
Yes.
Sirifo Sonko.
Sirifo Sonko instructed the CEO to instruct you that you should pay the councillors.
No, they discussed with the councillors and agreed that we should pay them.
Exactly. So if you come here and you now want to justify the payment for some of the councillors, that would not be an honest act from you.
Okay.
You know that because you know genuinely that this has nothing to do with any activity. Correct?
All right.
No, don't say all right and don't agree when you don't want to agree. We need to get the facts. The commissioners, they want to hear the actual fact. Is that not the case?
That is the case.
Do you agree with that?
Yes.
That is not, it cannot be tied to any activity, but by virtue of instructions from the chairman
Yes, and the CEO.
and the CEO. That's perfect. Now, can we have that? We want to admit that together with the voucher, is there also attached the 1/6?
No, it's not attached.
It's not attached. We apply to tender a payment voucher with the number 111-04412. Is that correct, sir?
The PV number is written on top with pen.
With pen, yes. Okay, 1169.
Yes.
The date is 13th of August 2018. The description is payment of honorarium to become area councillors as per attached. And attached to the voucher is the list of the councillors that received this amount, this payment. Into evidence as an exhibit.
A Brikama Area Council payment voucher number 111044112, paying name being sundry persons, being payment of honorarium to Brikama Area Brikama Area Councilors as per attached. The total cost is 288. Is that correct, Mr. Jeng?
Yes, ma'am.
88,000. And attached to this voucher is the sundry voucher where you have the list of councillors who signed on to the same. The voucher is admitted in evidence as an exhibit and marked as LGC/AJ/BKAC/015.
As the commission, please. Now, this is the only voucher we have seen, but you have confirmed that it happens every year.
Twice, yes.
Twice in the year.
Yes.
And for the period 2018 to 2023, there is no exception in any year.
Yes.
So where are the other vouchers?
They may be in the files.
Okay, you will help us to trace the vouchers because we can't see the other vouchers.
All right.
And you were saying it's not only for the councillors. Are there any other payments done?
No, no, it's only for the councillors.
But we have also had evidence that it is also the senior management as well. They benefit from this honorarium. Is that true?
No, that is not true.
That's not correct?
No.
Is it because you don't have an evidence of that such?
No, that is not true.
So the CEO does not benefit from this honorarium?
No.
The finance director does not benefit from this honorarium?
No, it's only the council.
So why did you approve it?
Pardon?
Why did you approve it?
I did not approve. I said this was agreed between the chairman and the CEO.
Yes, yes.
And some of the councillors.
Yes, we know. But why did you, as the finance director, authorize payment? What I mean by that, we know.
I understand.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
As a finance director, in your capacity as a finance director, why did you not object to this unlawful payment? Because you agree it's unlawful payment?
Yes, I do.
So why did you not object to that?
That was an oversight. It was an error.
It was an error on your side.
Yes.
Jeng, thank you. That was the reason why we called you today.
Thank you.
But do you agree that you have responsibility, and you and the CEO, you are liable for all these unlawful payments as well?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you. No further questions for this witness, unless there are questions for the commissioners.
Now, Mr. Jeng, it is also correct that under the financial manual,
Yes, ma'am.
there is no provision for the payment of honorarium.
No.
There's no provision.
No.
So it is not lawful for you to have paid this honorarium.
Correct.
Thank you. That is all. That's the only question I have.
Yes, we apply that the witness be discharged until he comes back.
Thank you, Mr. Jeng. We hope to see you back.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Mr. Bojang, can you call the next witness?
What about the talk?
Welcome back, Mr. Witness. Mr. Witness, for continuation of your testimony before this Commission of Inquiry, may I remind you once again that you are still under oath before I hand you over to Madam Chair.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Madam Chair, I hand over the witness to you for us to proceed.
Mr. Kante, good afternoon.
Afternoon, ma.
You're welcome back.
Thank you.
Yeah, I hope you brought the documents we asked.
Yes, ma.
Yes. Mr. Bojang, can you collect the documents and hand them over to council?
What documents do you have with you?
Bank account,
Which bank account?
my personal account and the ward account.
Your personal account and your ward account.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then?
I have the minutes of the ward development committee where we decided which communities to benefit for the geology fund. That was requested by the chair.
Okay. Yes?
We have the contract document for the Badala Women Fish Smoking Center in Katong.
All right.
The design,
All right.
the electricity expansion
Okay.
in Katong. Yeah, these are the electricity expansion.
Is that all?
No. Also minutes of development committee in
Yes.
2019. I guess I have 2 or 3. I have seen 3.
Okay.
And also the report that established that the works were completed
All right.
for the geology fund.
Let me see, please. Is that all?
Yes, sir. And yeah, this one is another development committee document that I brought. That was a program attended by members of the development subcommittee, and we wrote a report on it.
All right. Let me please have copies. The minutes it is not prepared by you, it's prepared by Lyman T. Jatta.
Lamin Tijara, yeah, he's the secretary to the Ward Development Committee.
Yes. You seem to have just signed this minute these minutes just not long ago.
No, sir.
Yes, it is very 2019. And why did Lamin Jata not sign the minutes?
Well, I could recall, I do the typing. I typed it.
No, it says prepared by Secretary General.
Yeah, he did the rough write-up.
Yes.
He did the rough write-up.
There's a column for him to sign.
Well, I could not recall him. I could not recall giving him to sign.
Why? So if you just type this and sign it, how would we know?
I can give it to him to sign.
You can? It's not a matter of giving it to him to sign. It's to say that this is not a copy of the minutes that you have sent to the admin. Do you know what I mean? You can just go, when we ask you to produce the minutes, you can just go and type something and just sign it.
So you can ask the admin, the copy they have.
No, wait a minute. These minutes are not signed by Lamin Jata.
Yes, sir, agreed.
You're the only one who signed it. What is your role as?
I am the chair to the Ward Development
Yes,
Committee.
you're the only one that signed these minutes. That's my point. The secretary didn't sign the minutes.
Accepted.
Is that not the case?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and minutes of meetings as well. The members, who are the individuals that attended this meeting?
I think names will be there.
The names are there, but they didn't even sign it, but we will have to confirm this. But let me just have them admitted first, and we can discuss it. And we applied to tender 2 development committee meeting minutes as produced by the witness. The first, it has no date. The second one,
They all have a date.
okay, let me give it to you back.
This is contract. This is not development.
What is the date? Speak to the microphone.
No, I mean this is not development committee's minutes.
Okay,
That one is there. This is a contract document.
you said 2 minutes. That's what you
Yes.
said.
They are there.
Okay.
It is written on top, development subcommittee.
Just separate the minutes for me and let me have the other documents admitted first.
Okay, thank you.
Just separate the 2 minutes that you're referring to. Then we have the others admitted. So
Sorry, these were the ones. No.
to tender the following documents. The first is addressed to the Managing Director NAWEC. The date is December 15, 2021. The heading is Work Completion Report for Power Supply Extension for Katong Ward Development Committee at Katong. The second is the Brikama Area Council priorities, achievements, and challenges for the period 2019 to 2022. The third is the Katong Ward Development Committee meeting dated the 12th of May 2021. The fourth is the report on 5 days capacity building training of ward development committees and community development assistance on community development bottoms up structure strengthening. Date of training is 21st to 25th of April 2021. You have the Katong Ward Development Committee meeting minutes with the heading Rehabilitation of Katong Badala Women Fish Smoking Center. Contract agreement between Katong Ward Development Committee and Yankuba Jata. All into evidence as an exhibit.
The following documents presented by the witness are admitted as follows. Brikama Area Council's priorities, achievement, and challenges for the period 2019 to 2022 being the first document. The second document is the rehabilitation of Katong Badala Women Fish Smoking Center, contract agreement between Katong Ward Development Committee and Yankuba Jatta. Katong Ward Development Committee minutes dated the 12th of May 2021. A letter dated the 15th of December 2021 addressed to the Managing Director, NAWEC, Head Office, with attention to the Corporate Service Director, with the caption, Work Completion Report for Power Supply Extension for Katong Ward Development Committee at Katong. And the letter is signed for Alagie E.F. Conte, Managing Director and Stroke Contractor. The final document is the report of 5 days capacity building training of ward development committees, WDCs, and committee development assistants, CDAs, on community development bottom-up structures strengthening, organized by Gambia Association of Local Government Authorities, GALGA, in partnership with Rural Development Institute, RDI. The venue was Mansakonko Area Council's Conference Center, Lower River Region, and is prepared by Honorable Babukar M. Kante, Honorable Mamadi Tamba, and is dated, the training was from 21st to 25th of April 2021. All these documents are admitted in a bundle and marked as LGC/BMK/BKAC/002.
As the Commission pleases. Now, please help me with these minutes.
Mr. Bojang?
Those minutes, the first one, what is the date?
1st May 2019.
Is that document signed?
No, it's not been signed.
Why? Why? Do you know why?
Well, no.
Do you agree that it cannot be considered as correct minutes of meetings because it is not authenticated?
Well,
speak your mind.
well, to me, it's an authentic document. Maybe the signature are not on it.
You have gone to school, Mr. Is it Mr. Kante?
Yes, sir.
You have gone to school, right? You know when we have meeting minutes, they have to be authenticated. They have to be signed.
Yes, sir.
So if they are not signed, how can you say to me it is authentic? How can you say that?
Okay, sorry, sir. Then it's not an authentic one.
Exactly.
Thank you.
So the second one
It's two not signed.
is the same.
Yeah, all the three.
All the three.
Yes, sir.
So if you have signed minutes, then you can please provide the minutes. Then we can have it admitted.
Well, when I search from my files, these are the three
This is
items
what you get.
I see. Yes, sir.
Yes. You can show the commissioner so that they know what we're talking about.
Mr. Kante, I want to find out, because if I recall, you said when you have the minutes, these minutes, together with the attendance list, is sent to the finance department for the processing of payment, because without them seeing the minutes, they will not pay. So, is there no originals of these minutes that you have produced?
Well, actually, in my files, when I was checking at home, that's
Yes.
at my level. This is what I could see as issues related to development subcommittee.
Yes, but what I'm saying is that, is it not true that for you to be paid for sitting as committee members, you have to submit your minutes together with the attendant list? Is that not what you do?
Yes, ma'am.
So which means there can be a possibility of these minutes being at the Department of Finance, right?
There could be.
There is a possibility that these minutes, the originals, could be with the Department of Finance.
Sure. No,
So-
the procedure is, the finance is the last point.
Yes.
Like after meetings,
Yes.
you will send it to the chairman for approval.
Yes.
Then it will go to the CEO.
Yeah.
And then the CEO will minute it finally to the finance department.
Yeah.
That's for the effecting of the payment of the committee sitting if the money is available.
Yes, because you cannot get your payment. What I'm trying to drive at is the fact that for you to be able to receive payment as committee that have sat over issues, you understand, as mandated under the law, you will have to attach proof that you sat and you had meeting and the members that attended signed an attendant list which you attach.
Yes,
Is that
ma'am.
not the case?
That's the case,
So that
ma'am.
is why I'm saying, would it not be possible for that original to be within the council,
I
for you
understood.
to avail us that one, because the one that is not signed and there is no attachment of the attendees, it will be difficult for us to appreciate whether actually, you understand, the meeting held. And if you look at this one, there are no even dates.
I understood you very well. There's a
All right.
possibility, well, unless one finds from the finance department.
But that is what we requested. We requested that you bring us copies, you bring us minutes that are original, because that way we will be able to see the attachments of those, the attachments on the minutes to prove to us that the committee sat and they deliberated on the issues that are discussed in the minutes. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, okay, we will return this to you, and please endeavor to check with the finance department, because ultimately that is where the documents will be, so that you can get us.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Are there, Council?
The registrar is not here to advise us as to
He has just informed me that he is the last
witness.
Yes.
Okay.
So,
Then that's-
Mr. Kante?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you so much for coming, and we will expect to see you next week, Thursday, for the minutes that are outstanding. All right?
Thank you.
So you are discharged. Thank you
Thank-
so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. We may rise.